Xiaomi is gearing up to launch another flagship entry from its Xiaomi 14 series. The model in question is the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. But ahead of any official announcement, some of the key camera specs were revealed by a tipster. So here are all the details. The Chinese tech giant has been rumored to be working on the Xiaomi 14 Ultra for a while now. Now, tipster Zions Anvin has revealed that the premium phone will feature a circular camera module. It will feature a Vario Summilux 1.1.63 2.5 12 120 aspherical lens ASPH. Furthermore, the primary camera is a 50-megapixel Sony LYT900 sensor that offers a variable aperture range f1.63 f2.5. He added that this sensor will also be paired with a 120-meter periscope telephoto lens. The tweet also shared an image which reveals the large camera island, which houses cutouts for the 4 sensors and the LED flash module. Based on what we know so far, the Xiaomi 14 Ultra is expected to be announced in the middle of this year. Just recently, we covered the smartphone's wireless camera. Kit was also certified in 3C certification. This is all the information we have at the moment, so stick around for more, as we will be providing updates when additional information is available regarding this matter. So subscribe our YouTube channel AppSpot and press the bell icon. The upcoming flagship phone has been hinted to support satellite connectivity as well. It has even been spotted in major certification platforms like BIS, EEC, and others.